Huechou Vue retired. Huechou University of ClIre, Wisconsin-Eau, and a Gurusia joining the here on the same show.
You ask, what kind of need the Hmong people need? We probably not get to this far. I would not get to this far. If I want to help myself, then I help what they do about helping me. I'm probably the first Western individual in Wisconsin that worked for the whole Wisconsin and probably the Midwest to improve refugee resettlement. She was a representative to the state. You may sit down. Thank you. If she worked so hard she helped me invite my colleague from Human Services. And we know in the olden day, Hmong first came to the US, we were misunderstood in so many ways, including when you teach your children to be obedient, to listen, to go to school. And we did what we thought were best. We spanked them with a hand, with a coat hanger, with itupa. The harder we hit, the more our child feel the pain, the better they will remember. That was how we taught our children. In doing that, the police come to our doorstep. Our world and Hmong world be the bridge. There are times when I would say, if your parent did not want you to become a nurse, did not want you to become an artist or a singer, what do they want you to do? And the answer is traditional major, doctor, lawyer. If you resist, what is the worst that they would do to you if you don't follow what they wish you to become? And most of the time, the answer is la chi do gu, la tu she do gu. And I would say, la tu she rong cha wa ko ka da ji dia. Ya ko ji sai ya ko nie ko king ka ji ko ka ji dia. I had the courage to push a child from that direction to that direction. I know Hmong culture enough that I would boldly push that. I know the Western culture enough that I would serve as a liaison for the institution, talking with the people who are in charge, how to create an environment, to create a bridge so that it would make more present, more comfortable for a student to come through. The way to help make all that is to have Hmong class, Hmong history, Hmong language. In doing that, I get to teach Hmong culture, Hmong language. And Mika people would take the class. And then they will begin to understand why we have to have our children miss school when there's a dark time, when there's a funeral, when there's a wedding. Mika also saw too that how come the baby and they know that because we have obligation outside of being a student. Là bỏ bếp thật còn đại chỉ kinh, ta chỉ cho nên khu cho nên có lựa chỉ bỏ để bếp chạy nên mong là lọ, bếp muốn nó mua học liền luôn nó nên chữ nên cho nên cho nhiều tôi chữ, cái rong cô lên bếp cho nên nhiều phân hải ta ra khó thì nên thế chỉ care chỉ muốn share cho bếp là một đằng plan nên tôi muốn nó mua học sinh là chỉ chơi bếp, ta chỉ really nên thế chỉ sát cho nên nhiều, là thế thì quan bỏ là quan đó. In fact, I'll be coming back to teach, so that Hmong student can continue to learn Hmong language, and Hmong teacher, Hmong nurse, Hmong doctor can serve Hmong family without either Hmong interpreter. So I will leave at that. My talk is about how you retire and when you retire. I retire at age 57, not because I'm old, okay? I'm making room for the next group. Plus, I know that I did my share. Plus, I know that Move, I'm only changed this job to do that other job. More structured job, I'm dropping that. I'm going to do less structured job. Họ là bây nếu tôi giờ thì nhà thế gì ní trò xe thì sẽ cũng giải lúc chỉ cần đào nó là cũng dân trình khứ. And last word, students and future student, I'm not departing you. You know that once you are a Brugal, you will always be a Brugal. Now all of us are a Brugal family. Continue to utilize my assistance.
Bây giờ này sẽ được sai sẽ là Tswv, advisor, nhà trọ ở University, Wisconsin-Eau, chúng mình là giáo sư, là bây giờ Dr. Vuechue, nhà trọ sẽ